guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and welcome to Vanessa'S Vanity. Today I'm going to be turning this bun into a really slick straight hairstyle using my 18-inch clip-in hair extensions by Tressconnoissuers. So if you guys want to know how I created that look and also how to receive a discount on your clip-ins, continue watching. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Right here I already have the Glam Anger along with my 18-inch natural wave hair extensions. As you guys can see, I've already somewhat straightened them and blow dried them out just to kind of get more smoothness because they already come with a wave. When I was straightening them, I had them on the Glam Anger 2 clips at a time and I was able to straighten them out, which I felt made it really easy. If you guys get the Glam Anger, you can actually do that. It's a way easier way to style them without having to hold them when you straighten your hair. Now, if you guys want to see how short my hair is, I'm actually gonna demonstrate right now, and I might have to back up my camera a little later, but it's about a little bit underneath my shoulders. So this is a hair straightener I'm going to use, and this is from Bedhead right here. Just kind of so you guys can see that. And I've already slightly straightened my hair. I'm going to go back once I put in the hair extensions just to smooth it out a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with my comb and I'm going to start teasing a little bit of the back where the clips are actually going to go in. And I have a mirror here, so this is like my guide. And if you guys have not checked out my other hair tutorial, I actually did some waves, so if you guys want to check that out. Okay, so I'm going to go in now and I'm just going to open these up and flip them backwards, upside down. And the reason why I'm clipping it in this way is so that way you can't see the short hair in the back. Like when you pull your hair forward, just like that, you won't be able to tell. So that piece is in. So I'm going to go in with the next piece. And I might have to speed this up because it's all repetitive. The next strip going in, I'm actually gonna clip it in how it's supposed to be clipped in, meaning so I'm going to go in with the next piece. And so I have here 2 pieces left right here, and these are actually going to go in this part right here, just that way it evens out with the rest of the hair, and there's really not much of a difference when it comes to the front being blended into the back. I'll do this side first. Do probably like right there, that way it falls and blends in. So just gonna part this piece, and I'm just gonna tease these pieces right here. Excuse my fall. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the clip, and I'm going to make sure I keep it really close up towards the front. That way my hair, when I drop it down, it blends in. So like that. Okay, then I'm just going to drop this. And I'm going to come back to blend it with a hair straightener, but before I do, I'm going to do the other side. So now I'm going to drop that. So next I'm going to go out with my hair straightener and just kind of touch up the front pieces, maybe a little bit on the side so it all blends. Especially like right here. Okay, so I'm going to do this side also. Straighten these pieces in the front. So next I'm going to go in with this soothing balm. If you guys see my last tutorial, it helps to add shine and it helps to control the frizz, and I'm actually going to work off of what's on the cap, and I'm just going to grab a little bit because a little goes a long way, and I'm just going to rub it in my fingers, and I really like to use it on my part because I have little flyaways. And I just like to press it down so it's nice and polished. And very lightly down the hair in the front. And then on the ends. Wraps up my hair tutorial. Again, this is 18 inches natural wave from Tressconnoissuers. You can also use my discount code, which is Vanessa, and get 15% off. Don't forget to get the glam anger so that way it can hold your hair, and you can also style your hair while it's in it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.